Namaste everyone. So today I will discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. So the question is, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. Okay. The water level is at 9 steps. So let us think like this. These are the steps. Okay. So the monkey standing here. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally this is 9 number steps. So the monkey is standing here and he has to reach to steps number 9 to reach the water. So but there is a condition. Now listen the condition. So question number 10, one number question. He jumps 3 steps down and jump back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So what the monkey standing here, he jumps 3 steps down. Now if the monkey standing here and he jumps 3 steps down, so with which steps he will reach? So it is 1, 2, 3, that is 4 number steps. So he will reach 4 number steps. So first step, the monkey was in step number 1, he jumped 3 steps, so he reached in the 4th step. Now this is first jump. Let us take it is jump, first jump, because the question asks in how many jump he will reach in the 9th step. Now second jump. Now you see, after when he jumped for the first time, he reached 4th number steps. Now again what the question says, he jumped 2 steps back. 2 steps back, that means now he is in 4th step. 2 steps back means we are taking now -2. So 4 minus 2, it is second step. So what happens? At the first step, first jump, the monkey reached to 4th step. In the second jump, what happened? The monkey reached to second step. So in this way we will be going. Okay, third jump, again third jump, what the monkey will do? So second step plus 3, it will be 5th step. Fourth jump, 5th minus 2, it is 3rd step. 5th jump, it will be 3 plus 3, so 6th step. 6th jump, it will be 6 minus 2, it is 4th step. 7th jump, it is 4 plus 3, 7th step. 8th jump, it is 7 minus 2, it is 5th step. 9th jump, it is 5 plus 3, 8th step. 10th jump, it is 8 minus 2, so it is 6th step. And 11th jump, it is 6 plus 3, that is 9th step. So finally the monkey will reach at the 9th step on how many jump? 11th jump. So the answer is 11th jump. 11th jump. The monkey will reach to ninth step. So this is about question number 10. Question number 10, 1. Now I will be discussing two number. The same question. After drinking water, the monkey wants to go back to step 1. For this, the condition is something different. So how to find the number of jumps? Let us do it. So here the question is, for this he jumped 4 steps up and then jump back 2 steps down. Now see, the monkey is at 9th step. Okay, now he jumped 4 steps up. So 4 steps up means what? 1 2 3 4. He is in 5th step. He is in 5th step. Now 9 minus 4, it is 5th step. Okay, now we are taking minus sign for going up. In the beginning we have taken plus sign for going down. Now we are taking minus sign for going up. So 9 minus 4, it is 5th step. Now second jump you see, back 2 steps up. So he is going up. Okay, again he is going down for the 2 steps. So 5 plus 2, because we have taken, for going down we are taking positive sign, for going up we are taking negative sign. Now since the monkey is going up, here we have taken negative sign. So 4 steps is going up, 2 steps going down again. So 2 steps going down means plus 2 we are taking. So 5 plus 2, it is 7th step. Second jump. Third jump, it is 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4, it is 3rd step. Okay. Fourth jump, it is 3 minus 3 plus 2. It is 5th step. Because you see the order, 1 minus again plus, minus plus. Now 5th jump, it is 5, so it will be minus 4. So 5 minus 4, it is the first step. So what we get? On 5th jump, the monkey will reach to step 1. So our answer is 5th jump. On 5th jump, the monkey will reach to first step. So this was the logic. This is the logic how to calculate this problem. So I think this is very easy and you have understood how to calculate it. Now in the third part of the question, 2 series they have given and it is very easy. In the third part, one series is given, minus 3 plus 2, again minus given. So you have to write down the series, and at last it is given minus 8. Now you see here, what will be the value? If minus 3 plus 1, the value will be minus 1, and your sum, it should be equal to minus 8. So how many times you will repeat this expression? For more 7 times you will express, because minus 1 is here, and you know minus 1 if you multiply with 8, it will be minus 8. That means this expression should be there for 8 times. So one time already it has been written. So we will write for 7 times. So you write like this, minus 3 plus 2. So this is the second expression. Again minus 3 plus 2 third time, minus 3 plus 2 fourth time, minus 3 plus 2 fifth time, minus 3 plus 2 sixth time, minus 3 plus 2 seventh time, and minus 3 plus 2. So this will be the answer. You see, because this is minus 1, again this expression is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be minus 8. This is very easy. Now the next one. It is given 4 minus 2 plus, again you have to write the, how many times you have to write? It is given 8. Now you see, 4 minus 2, it is 2. So to make it 8, what you have to do? 2 into 4, it is 8. So 4 times, that means this expression you have to write for 4 times. 1 times already it is written, so more 3 times you have to write. So write 4 minus 2, 1 time over, 4 minus 2, second time over, 4 minus 2, third time over. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 time it is over. Total. So here it is 2 again, here 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the expression. So in this way you have to write down. So I think question number 10, it is now clear to you. So we will go forward for the next question. Okay, now I shall be discussing exercise 1.3. Okay, 1.3, and the question number is 6. Because I believe if you understand this question number 6, then rest of the questions you can solve. So the question is, a certain, in a class test containing, sorry, this is question number 7. So in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for incorrect answer. So total number of question, it is 10. Total question. For correct answer I am writing in shortcut. So for correct answer it is given 5 marks for each question. Okay, and for wrong answer, okay, wrong answer minus 2 for each question. Now listen, and 0 marks for not attempting the question. For not attempting, okay, for not attempting the question, it is 0. Now one number question, what Mohan got 4 correct. So what will be the score for Mohan? We have to calculate actually. Score for Mohan. Okay. Now you see, Mohan got 4 correct. 4 correct means 4 questions he has given correct answer. So what will be the marks? So 4 into 5, because each question, for each correct question 5 marks is given. So for 4 questions, 4 into 5, it is 20. Okay. Now 20 marks. Okay. Now let us write in this way. Score for Mohan for giving correct answer. Okay. Now, and 6 incorrect answer. Score for incorrect answer. So what? So how many question he has given incorrect? It is 6. So 6 into, now you see for incorrect it is minus 2. So 6 into 2, how much? It is 12, and plus minus it is minus 12. For incorrect answer he has got minus 12. So what is his score? So total score, what will be the total score? Total score equal to 20 plus minus 12. So 20 plus minus, it is minus 12. So 20 minus 12, it is 8. So how much Mohan scored? It is 8. So in this way we have to calculate. So I believe I have given you the solution for all the questions. You try all these questions, okay, and whichever I have thought that this questions will be difficult for you, I have explained in this video and in my last videos, and in my next class I will be starting the new chapter. So with this I want to conclude. That's all. Thank you.